Alright everyone, this is WheelockGeek and welcome to Fire Alarm Reviews number 2. So this one's going to be a Pulsation. So today we're going to look at the Firelight Alarms by Honeywell BG-12. Now this is the most common Pulsation. It's also the newest Pulsation in the apartment, I believe, back in 98, 99. It was back in the 90s when they first came out. This is a newer style one. This is the one where it has the Honeywell logo, meaning it's because it's telling that Firelight is owned by Honeywell. And I got more of these, like I have another one right here. This one's in pretty rough condition, but still works. See, here's the back of it. This one has a BG-12 rated back box too. And on the top, you can see that that's where you unscrew it to put the wire in. It pulls just how you think. You just push in, pull down, and it takes a Firelight, see the number here, 17003 key, just sticks in, turn it. This is pretty hard to do with one hand. You just open it, close it, and then see when you pull it on the inside, there's a switch right there. When you close it, it floats back up. So that was kind of nice. But here's the inside of the Pulsation. It opens up right like that, which I think is kind of cool. Just key lock. Got your switch. Down for activated, up for normal. This particular BG-12 is called an LAOB. L because it's got a key lock. A because it has the extra set of annunciator weeds, I believe. And O because this is an outdoor rated BG-12. And the B means it has a back box. Now, I can take this off the back box. See? This black thing is a waterproof case, and here's the back of the Pulsation. It's got a single pole double throw switch, meaning it's a bit tougher to pull. And here's the this one's 4 wired rather than 2 wired. The 3 and 4 is the annunciators thing, whatever. Well, 1 and 2 are the main, I believe. As you can see, when I pull it, you can see you can't really see it, but the thing moved. And let me open it back up. Like that. These Pulsations are extremely common and they're really nice. You can find them, you can commonly find these for like 20 bucks. I found this one. Well, I got this particular BG-12 from ARA Productions from a fire alarm trade we did. I guess this is kind of a rare version of a BG-12 because it's an outdoor rated one and it has a back box with it. Here, let me put it back on. A bit tricky to do with one hand, so that's why I put the camera down. There we go. Got it back on its back box. Pull it again. Open it. Inside of it. 2 ways you can reset it, either one by opening it, flipping the switch, or just opening it and closing it. Now my other BG-12 is just a basic BG-12. And this was actually my second Pulsation I ever acquired. Here's the inside of it, BG-12L. Now there's 2 types of BG-12s. There's SSD and there's PDI. PDI is the older BG-12s. Like, they just have Firelight on them, or they can come with either a key lock or a hex lock, and they can also be addressable. The newer ones are SSD, which indicates that it's owned by Honeywell. I think the same case goes with Notifier BG-12s and Silent Night BG-12s, as well as other branded BG-12s. I got 4 BG-12s. These are just 2 of them. I got this one. I got a BG-12 LR and a BG-12 LX. And a little fun fact, the Honeywell model numbers for these is S464G1007. Yep. I don't know where I put my other BG-12s. Actually, here, let me see if I can find them. Camera down again. I think I put them over here. Ugh. Yeah, I think I put them down here somewhere. Weird. I thought I had them over here. That's a BG-10. I do have my BG-12 LR somewhere. I don't remember where I put it exactly. Oh well. But I put the other BG-12s somewhere. I'm not going to bother finding them right now. So yeah, that's my fire alarm review on the BG-12s. But just one thing I want to note. If you want to get a BG-12s, you can. These are extremely common. You can get them for not a lot. They're basic. They're still being made to this day. You commonly find addressable ones, but get a conventional one if you're starting out. Yeah. So if you want to get a BG-12, I'll leave a link down below where you can find the good ones. And this is WheelockGeek signing out.